happy 2025. I hope you all had a lovely holiday. Wow, the year just flew by like this. It was a packed month of December for me. Sorry, didn't have much time to do video, but I'm back. Today, I'm reflecting on my purchases in 2024 and review back that I won the most in 2024. I have four. If you're new to this channel, hi, this is Kay. Welcome to my channel, and I love to invite you back for more content of luxury purchases and experience with hacks, tips, and tricks. Hopefully, it can be helpful to you in some way, and you don't have to reach deep to your pocket for these experiences. Consider subscribe so you can get the notice of my latest upload. Thank you for your support during 2024 and continue on. For 2024, I added 3 bags, all from my favorite brand, Hermes. And in February, I added this timeless classic Kelly 25 in gold with gold hardware. And love this one. It can fit so much in here. So easy to get in and out of the bag. And took it to, I don't know, everywhere. Yes, I love this one. Love this addition. Early November, I scored this little cutesy mini bullies in the new color Rose Darling with palladium hardware. Yes, so cute, so adorable bag, and very surprised it can fit so much in here, even though it is a tiny bag. Yes, love this one. I already took it to a couple of my trips already, so yes, love this addition. So days after I got this cutesy bag, I added my very first Birkin in this beautiful color. The name of it is Elephant, so it's sort of like chestnut color or chocolate brown. Yeah, love this color. 25, the size is 25 with gold hardware. So far, I haven't had opportunity to take this out yet, but we'll sure do in 2025. Though all I can say is I love it more than I thought. So far, I got to say I love all my purchases in 2024. I think I would be able to use this bag for years to come. So, yes. Do you agree? Let me know in the comment section below. Before moving to bag that I mostly worn in 2024, let me show you what I got from my amazing Hermes sales associate during the holiday. So the first one is this symbol card, but quite thoughtful. Card from my sales associate, front, in the bag. And while I took out the ornament to decorate my Christmas tree, I found this card from previous years. And remember this? It's pretty sure if you like scarf, then you're familiar with this design. It's on one of the scarves. Don't remember the name, but beautiful card and love. Wish that Hermes sell this card so I can grab some to send it to my loved ones. beautiful. Yeah, too bad. I don't think Hermes sell this card, or else that would be a good precedent as well. And that's not all. I got another treat. My sales associate know how much I love tea, so I got a box of black tea with orange peel. But look at the tea bag. Isn't it adorable? It comes in the horse shape tea bag with orange tea tag. So cute. Yeah, I think I would be enjoy the tea. So we'll try it soon. But I don't remember getting served tea in any of the boutiques in the US. If any of you have, please share in the comment section below. Yeah, I don't remember. I mean, I got served waters and coffee maybe, but never got served tea in any of the boutiques that I visit in US. Okay, moving on to my most worn bag in 2024. Even though I add this bag, but they are not my most worn bag for 2024. So beginning with a mess still. So my first bag that I wore so much in 2024 is my mini Evelyn or Evelyn TPM in Trent color with a bit of gold hardware. So it is quite a compact, lightweighted, and versatile bag. I took it to many of my trips, and it's sort of a grab and go to run quick errand bag for me. And if any of you starting your Hermes journey, I think this is a great entry piece for you to sort of feel if to feel the leather and the craftsmanship of Hermes, to feel if it's right for you. But I'm pretty sure that I think you will like it. Amazing leather and craftsmanship, yes. It is also a reasonable price range, around 2K or 2 grand price range. And this one is a discreet branding bag, sort of, if you know, you know. You don't see a mess. I don't think this one has a mess stamp in here. Yeah, the only thing you can sort of tell is this one, but only if you know a mess brand, then you can tell. Yeah, wore it so much, and I think I'm gonna continue wearing this in 2025, even though I got it back in 2022, I believe. So the next Hermes bag that I wear a lot in 2024 is my Dola Cavalleria, which I score in Paris. Gold with gold hardware, that lovely, unique closure hardware. Again, this one is a compact and with back pocket, which is quite handy for quick access item. You can put your phone vertically in here as well. So another thing that I love about this bag is how versatile it is. You can wear it daytime, nighttime, and this is another, if you know bag. You don't see any of logo here. If you wear your bag closed, you don't see any of the stamp or logo. The only thing you can't tell is unless you open up and you see a little stamp here. So it can fit in here a lot as well. Love this one. The next one is a 10 years plus old bag that I still wear a lot. So I got this one, I guess, more than 10 years ago. It is a Chloe Hudson in a trendy burgundy color. So this one is in medium size. I believe this style come in large, medium, and small. So this one is in medium. And it can fit tons in here, and you can see all the marks, but it's still in a good condition after 10 plus years. So yeah, definitely got my cost per wear for this one. So I got this one with 60% discount from the boutique from Nordstrom. I remember right after the holidays, I believe. So it's sometimes worth it to wait for all the sale afterwards. So yeah, let me see. I still have the tag here. So I got it for $900, and this one retail for $23.50. Wow, look at that! Back in the day, the price is so good. Back in the day, love this one. The last one that I wore so much in 2023 is my camera Prada bag. This one I got it back in 2016, and so 9 years. Even though it's in white, but it's still in a very great condition. Actually, I didn't even have to baby this bag. I throw it everywhere, but look, it's still good. I think they have some mark for dirt here. I think you can just wipe it off. Yeah, so love this bag and works so much. It can fit a lot in here. Good amount of stuff in here. Yeah, that's it. What do you think about my purchases and my most used bag in 2024? Love to hear your feedback or any question in the comment section below. And if you have any purchase that you love or regret and comfortable to share, love to hear that too. All right, I'm ending this video here. But before I go, wishing you all abundant health and prosperity in 2025, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.